you're setting it up too, you can't possibly give all the instructions, like, you have to say, right, there's a sensor now, set it up, and you have to let them at it, like, so I think even that engages them in the lesson, like, and then, they're going to have a mess, like, while you're off with another group, like, they're going to be trying to see if it does different things, so like, that's all good constructive stuff like that. That it's not just filling the sheet and once you're done, you're sitting there waiting. They can work away themselves.
And did you feel it helped them interpret? Did you feel that they were able to interpret the data that they were getting back then?
Yeah, especially the force sensor I thought was very good because it was instant. Because when we've been doing with the old experiment, you had to do with the calculation and the kind of the fact you got an answer got lost. And you kind of lost the sense of like, this is what we're trying to achieve. Whereas with the sensor, it was immediately there. There was no calculations, and you saw once you moved the weight, well, then the force increases or decreases. There was no one to have to figure it out and the answer. It was just instantaneous.
So it took a lot of the mundane bit out of it and let you think about what was actually happening.
You would still have to do the calculations, but it was just good to be able to see it straight away rather than have to
so immediate feedback.
Exactly.
Okay, and what about you, Orla, then? What did you think?
Like what Brendan and Celine were saying, I mean, I suppose about the same points really, that it would definitely encourage them to think on their own and to figure things out on their own, which is the whole point. I mean, you only get them, you've half the work done if you can actually get them thinking and trying to think for themselves. Right. So, it does definitely make them think a bit on their own, and they're also used to using all these equipment anyway. That they fly around the place.
And there was the draw, the prediction, that's setting. I thought that was really good, because you were letting them think before they had it carried out.
What they
had to
might expect.
And I thought that was a nice aspect to it. Like,
they got to understand what the straight line meant as opposed to
and just their own independent thinking. Well, this is, that's all part of the science method.
That's what you'd hope they'd be getting to.
Yeah.